With the release of Stringer V25, a host of new features have been added to the software. Let's have a look at these now. The first of these new commands is Inquire Points. Inquire Points allows the user to very quickly select the 2 points they wish to inquire between and get information relating to aspects between those 2 points. In this case, you can see I have things such as the 3D distance, the slope between the 2 of them, and the bearings. Within the Point Groups tool, the user is now able to do a variety of things with 2D transformations. This includes scale and rotate, 2 commands that have been highly requested by our user base. To run these commands, simply select the one you wish to use. You'll be asked if you're sure you wish to run it for the group that you currently have selected, and then simply select the base point you wish to do all of it off. In this case, I'm scaling it, so I want to do it from the bottom corner here, and then I'm able to enter the value that I'm wishing to do it by. In this case, I'll be doing it to scale factor, but if you were to choose rotation, you will be able to decide the rotation and such. Now the default value here is 2. Let's say I wish to scale it up by 1.5. I am able to do so before going OK. You can see that the drawing has now scaled up by 1.5 from that base point that I had selected. Excel Link allows the user to link an Excel document to the properties listed on our points. Through point groups, we are able to see what fields we have available. In this case, I'm going to be working with type. This needs to be added to both the point property list found here and to the point style so that our points are able to hold the point property information. Closing this, we are now able to go to Import Excel Document, where we are able to set up the workbook that we wish to create and then edit. The project I'm setting up here is going to have the name of tree type, and then I'm going to create an Excel document with the same name. This allows me to export the Excel document while also linking it to the data so that I have a much easier time getting the point properties across. Once done, go OK to save this document. I'm now going to enter in the point properties that I wish to enter. Selecting here, I'm able to go ahead and just confirm that everything looks right. I'm wanting to work with the trees point group, so I would select that, and then I get a list of all the different properties associated with that point group. I can then go through and make sure I'm exporting to the right columns before I go Excel Export, and now confirm that this is the tables that I wish to export. Now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and re-import the file that I have exported. Here I have the file I exported, so we can see the point numbers here, and I'm just going to enter in a few tree types that I wish to import in. Once done, I'm going to save the Excel file and go close. And now, because we've set it up to work with that file, I'm going to go run Excel Link to add in those properties to our points. Closing this, I'm able to go back into point groups now, select the tree point group, and we can see that we now have some properties attached to the type property section. Export to shape is a new command that has been added to the point groups command. By going to a point group of your choosing, let's say trees, you are able to export out an auxiliary shape file. This can be used in tandem with the new Excel Link, where we are able to attach additional properties to our points and then export them out. The Traverse Editor is a powerful new tool that has been added to the latest version of Stringer. The user is able to go ahead and add the traverse that they have picked up in the field to their dataset, which can then be adjusted with a variety of different functions. Once the traverse has been loaded in, the user is able to look down here and see how many decimal places they wish to use, along with a variety of different adjustment methods. Switching between these, you can see the traverse updating in real time as the adjustment is being made. The user is able to decide which adjustment they want to do before running create points to create the points in the drawing, or by dropping down output, they are able to export out the line work. Furthermore, the user is able to run Traverse Report XL to export out a Traverse report.